How to customize search bar on Wix. So as you can see at the top, you should have the header, and then here you can simply click on this pen icon, and here you can simply change the colors. As you can see, you can add paragraphs, etc., depending on your template. And if you want to add buttons, here at the top you can simply click on add elements, and then as you can see you have buttons. Now you can even go to menu and anchor, and then simply add this in bulk, and as you can see you have here. So let's choose this one here, and you can simply add this. So you're gonna have to simply drag it here at the top. So let me move this logo. As you can see in this template I already have the menu button, but I'm gonna add these, and basically you can attach it to your column, and people can simply click on the buttons, and then they're gonna get redirected depending on which button they clicked. And basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.